I've set up a profile for Daisy, my 5-year-old daughter. She is average height, average weight for her age, although she does seem to be getting taller by the day. And if your child has got any special dietary needs, perhaps they're allergic to nuts or they're dairy intolerant, you can check the appropriate box here. And what this will enable SnackCheck to do is to highlight any snack foods which may not be suitable for your child. Now we have Daisy's profile, and let's go back to our products page. Once again, we click on chocolate as our product category and scroll down to KitKat. Now before we look at this analysis, I want to bring back over the screen dump which I took from the previous analysis that we did on KitKat for the average adult. Now, as you can see, the daily energy requirement for a 5-year-old child is closer to 1100 calories a day rather than the 2000 calories a day that is the daily requirement for an average adult. What do we see here? Well, first of all, we see that a bar of KitKat has got over half the guideline daily allowance for Daisy's sugar intake. And when we look down to the saturated fat, we can see that it's got almost 2/3 of Daisy's saturated fat guideline daily allowance in one chocolate bar. And when you compare the relative values between the value for the child and the value for the adult, you can see really how misleading a food label is if you don't take into consideration that a child has got a much lower calorie requirement per day than an adult. This is just one example to illustrate how setting up a SnackCheck profile for your child will enable you to get access to information not readily available elsewhere that could be critical to your child's well-being. If your child's favourite snack is currently not listed on our site, please let us know and we'll be happy to add it for you. Please leave feedback for us and do spread the word about SnackCheck.